Once again, Tom Stow, librarian at Oxnard College, and we're going to do the second of three parts series here on English 101, research materials for all English 101 students. And we first talked about the very broad topic of civility in modern society, or lack thereof, and we used the opposing viewpoints and context database for a big picture look at that. Now we're going to look at a somewhat narrower topic, and that narrower topic is going to be the mental health of college students. And as an example, what we're going to do is take a look first at our EBSCO database service. We click on where it says EBSCO, choose Files for Searching, and this is going to pull up a bewildering array of modules that have to do with different subjects. In most cases, we're going to select all and continue. So we're going to look across this entire huge database service rather than getting lost in the weeds of shall we use this module and that module, etc. And I'm going to put in, for example, college students right here. And then in the second line, I'm going to put mental health. Okay. The reason we've separated the two concepts here is because in older style library databases such as this one, the system expects you to put in separate concepts per box. The and means that both concepts have to occur in order to be chosen by the computer algorithm. This is unlike Google searching, when you tend to write college students' mental health, and you would still get usable results that way. But it's actually better for a system such as this to parse the concepts and cut them into and put them in these boxes. Click on Search. It is automatically going to select only full text resources, so that it will only take if it is full text. Another thing that you'll want to do is to cut back the date range. Notice that this goes all the way back to 1913. I find that kind of hard to believe that it's really there's really material that age. But anywhere, we're going to take the slider and go to the right and do, let's say, 2016 to 2021. And we let go of it, and it updates it. And now it's taken it down to a much smaller search set. So here we have examples that come from academic journals. Because this is an academic-oriented database, it's going to focus on academic journals. You can put a limiter over here for scholarly peer-reviewed journals, and so that only those come up. Some English professors will require you to use only peer-reviewed journals. So you would want to click on this link here. That would be one example. Another example here, and I find for a lot of students who are not being required to use academic journals only, that magazines is often a good limiter to use. So now we're going to look at 253 magazine articles that mention the mental health of college students. Okay, so here we have some things. Let's see. So here's Black Enterprise, promoting the mental health needs of college students of color. Here's one from Psychology Today, Depression on Campus, Time Magazine, and here's one that says University Business. So this is obviously a magazine that is written for college administrators. Let's take as an example this one from Time Magazine, Depression on Campus. We click on the link here, and it pulls up this reference here, Depression on Campus. Here's an abstract, a summary of the article. Here is the complete article, and notice that it even has the ability to play it for you, so that if you are more of an ear person than an eye person and you absorb information better that way, you can click on this and you can listen to the content, and you have the full text here. You can also output the complete text by using the PDF full text entry here. Okay, then we have Google Drive and printing and emailing options, and you also have the ability to cite this material using the Cite button over here. So we'll click on this and go to Cite, and we're going to scroll down to Modern Language Association 8th edition, which is what you'll be using for English classes. Then you can copy and paste this into your Word document. Okay, so that's the basics of searching in the EBSCOHost database. In part 3, we're going to talk about the ProQuest database and then some general information about the library and how to get assistance from all of us in everything that we do.